Hey guys, tonight I felt the real urge to play you this song because I think in this difficult times it's really important for us keep to keep thanking for things, keep feeling thankful. This song makes me feel thankful. It's a new song, and I really want to get this out of you. It comes from the heart, and I hope you feel it too. And it's strange that I keep forgetting the name of the song because I think it's a very beautiful name. It's a bit long, so. But I actually remember. I can remember the name of the song. It's "Looking at the Sea on a Windy Day." Yeah, and yeah. Have a good night.